Islamabad, where nature paints the skyline, and what the world calls second most beautiful capital. This 20-story grey structure of Radisson Blu stands tall, a proof of our progress and commitment to excellence. Teams working day and night on the lifelines of modern living, engineering efficiency into every corner, powering progress with innovation and reliability, delivering seamless flow from source to space, protecting lives with smart, advanced safeguards, fire systems engineered on global standards, smart ducting breathing life into every space, advanced water resistance to stand the test of time, finest installations securing electricity lifeline, taking shape in its exclusivity at a place of possibilities.